Greetings, my beauties, salutations, my cuties. Yes, I'm coming to you in a different format. Didn't feel like showing my face today. It's a sad day for me, a little bit, because my son moves out tomorrow. So I said, let me come on here and spend some time with my beauties and cuties. And let's open up this box from BH Cosmetics. Now, I've been waiting for what's inside this box. Like I said, and once again, thank you for coming to my community page and interacting with me on there. Love you guys. Thank you so much. You're letting YouTube know that I am worthy to be shared and interacted with. So I thank you. But not only was I waiting for this to come through FedEx because it went to Ohio, you know, it's been to some places I've never been, but I've been waiting for the makeup that is in this box to go on sale. Now, the palettes and stuff that you're about to see, they have gone back to regular price. So I was happy to get this sale. And as you can see, I have a handy dandy paper cutter. I hope I know how to use it correctly. Maybe not. I don't know. This one is odd. It's got like a safety latch on it or something. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I think we got it. The camera's gonna shake a little bit, so please bear with me. Can we get in here? And I also wanted to unbox it with you beauties and cuties, so just in case if anything was broken, I have witnesses. Okay. Of course, I had to open it upside down because I didn't feel like looking for a Sharpie to scratch off my address. But we are here. Here we are. About to open up this BH Cosmetics. I love their wrapping. Wonderful, you know, brown paper bag. And as you can see, I did get some of their travel and I think their brunch collection. So I got a Pre and Aspen. I don't like how this is set up. Sorry, you guys can't see everything. Hold on, let me try to fix this. I'm so sorry. Please bear with me, beauties and cuties. Okay, guys, I hope this is a little bit better. But you know, we'll have a swatch party with all this beautiful makeup. And as you can see, here is the Pre and Aspen highlighter palette. I know some of these colors are looking crazy, but you know what? We love crazy around here. We love crazy, sexy, cool around here. And then I got the wonderful, the Weekend Vibes collection, the Mimosa palette. You know, I'm digging that holographical goodness. I hope you can see the shades. You know, very tropical vibe, summer vibe palette. And also, you know, we love mimosas. Then, this baby right here, Blueberry Muffin. Okay, this retails for $18. These palettes I got, some of them were $10.20, and I believe some of them were $10.08. So, like I said, sometimes you got to be patient and just wait for makeup to go on sale. But guys, I know you guys seen so many looks and hauls with Blueberry Muffin, and oh, that shade right there, tempting. Yes, that's what tempted me to buy this palette. So beautiful, gorgeous packaging. You know, in a way, I wish they had like a scratch and sniff sticker on there. Like, they could have put an orange on the Mimosa palette and a Blueberry Muffin sticker on here. Oh, here's the other part. Another travel series. Lost in Los Angeles palette. There she is. Like I said, you know we'll be having a swatch party, but I probably won't like swatch them all. You know, I might swatch and do a look or something like that. And last but not least, from the Weekend Vibes collection, the Avocado Toast palette. And you guys know I've been digging on greens lately, so there is the Avocado Toast. Sorry for all the glare and stuff like that. I just wanted to unbox this with you, beauties and cuties. So if you guys got any questions, you know, come talk to me. Say hello, say goodnight, say whatever, bitch, if you want to. All right, you know, I love you guys so much, and you have a blessed night, not a stressed night. Thank you for joining me with this little unboxing, and I will see you, in the next episode.